Solitaire apps that pay real cash don't generate money from the game itself. They're funded by ads and sponsorships, where companies pay for user engagement, then reward you with cash or gift cards once you complete gameplay requirements. By the end of this, you'll know 7 Solitaire-style apps that actually offer cash payouts, how they structure rewards, and what really controls whether you get paid quickly or end up stuck waiting. Start with how these apps actually work. Every cash Solitaire app uses the same setup. You play digital card games, earn points based on performance or matches, and then convert those points into cash once you reach the app's withdrawal limit. Payments usually go through PayPal or gift card systems depending on the platform. The important detail is that earnings come from ads and sponsored placements, not from the game itself. First category is skill-based Solitaire cash apps. These apps reward you based on performance in timed or competitive Solitaire matches. You're usually matched against other players or scoring systems. Better performance leads to higher rewards, but entry availability depends on active contests. Second category is casual rewards Solitaire apps. These apps pay you for playing regular Solitaire rounds without competition. You earn points over time instead of winning matches. They feel more stable, but payout speed depends on how long it takes to accumulate enough points. Third category is hybrid gaming reward apps. These apps combine Solitaire with other mini-games or offers. Solitaire is just one earning option. This gives more flexibility, but payout timing depends on which activity you complete. Now here's what actually matters when choosing one. Contest availability is the biggest factor. If there aren't active matches or sessions, your earning options drop immediately. Tracking accuracy is the second factor. If your gameplay isn't recorded correctly, your rewards won't be credited, even if you performed well. And withdrawal thresholds matter more than most people realize. Some apps require higher point totals before you can cash out, which changes how fast earnings feel in practice. So instead of looking for one best-paying Solitaire app, the smarter approach is testing multiple apps and keeping the one that consistently shows active games in your region. Summary: cash Solitaire apps pay through ads and sponsored gameplay. Speed depends on contest availability, tracking accuracy, and withdrawal limits. No single app guarantees fast or consistent payouts for everyone. Next step: install one Solitaire cash app and complete a few rounds to see how quickly your gameplay gets tracked and credited. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.